Hi there folks, and welcome to this easiest way to learn C programming. In this video I will show you how to learn C coding in the easiest way that you can imagine. So what are we waiting for? Let's get started. So let me go ahead and open up this editor, and as you may have noticed, I have created a new file and I have named it ex90_binary file io.c. So this is the continuation of our previous video regarding the binary file, or the introductory to binary file. So in this video I'm going to show you how to write and read from a binary files. I will going to demonstrate it for you shortly. So we're going to practice making codes now, and this is the best way to learn coding. More hands-on exercises, and at the end of this video I highly encourage you to answer the question, because it's the best way to teach yourself in C programming. So let me go ahead and complete this. As you may have noticed, I have also created or added these statements ahead of time. We have the file pointer, the array that has the size of 10 elements, and then another array which has the same size, and the integer k. So we'll be needing this variables, since we're going to write and read files from a binary. So let me go ahead and continue this. So here is the codes. So this program demonstrates writing to and reading from binary files. So let's go ahead and compile and run this. So right click, compile and run, and you should be able to see this result. So this program wrote an array of ints to a file, but an array of structures could just as easily have been written to a file. Notice that the item size Notice that the item size and number of items were determined by using the size of an element and the size of the entire variable. File extensions alone do not determine the format of data in a file, but they are useful for indicating the type of data to expect. For example, a dot text extension indicates a text indicates a text file, and for .bin is for binary data. .csv indicates comma separated values, and .dot is a data file. So this is how you write a code in a binary file. So clearly this program demonstrates writing to and reading from binary files. So just a quick note that binary files are useful for storing large amounts of data in a smaller file sizes. You can think of this as something like a compression file. Why would it be useful? Well, because if we write the numbers, let's say random numbers in a text file, it will take at least 10 bytes or 10 characters. In binary format, it will take 4 bytes typed int, which is much smaller. So it's like a compressed file. And also you might be asking yourself, why is it such that the fwrite function on this a line here. So just a quick note that you might be asking yourself, you might be thinking, why is it such that in fwrite function on this line, on the fwrite function we have used array or arr as a pointer, but on this line in fread function x is being used as the pointer variable. You might be asking yourself, was it a typo or was it essential? Well, to clear things up, in this line, in the f-right function, data from the array ARR is being written into the file pointed to by the fptr, while on this line, in the fread function, data from the file pointed to by the fptr is being read and stored in the array x. So I hope that it clears it clears things up for you. And also, you might be asking yourself, is it necessary to give the file a name or a file in .bin or other file formats? And the answer is yes. It needs to have a file extension, and you can write binary data to a text file, but it is not recommended. So that's why it is put in a .bin for binary, bin for short for binary, and txt for text. So that's it for this video, and before we wrap up, let's go ahead and test your knowledge. I have here a little exercise for you on this tab. So I want you to fill in the blanks to write the array to the file and close the file. As you may have noticed, there's 3 missing pieces of information in here that needs to be filled in by you. So if you already know the answer, please put it in the comment section below. Thank you.